Marijuana is a drug that contains THC, the chemical responsible for the high people experience. It's used today for both recreational and medical purposes, but its effects come from how it interacts with one of the major signaling systems. The endocannabinoid system. The endocannabinoid system helps different parts of the body communicate. Some of its signal travels short distances in the brain, letting one neuron affect another. These natural molecules help regulate mood, memory, appetite, and movement.
Other signals in the body travel longer distances through the bloodstream to reach organs all over the body. When someone uses marijuana, THC enters the body and begins to interrupt the signaling system.
THC, short for delta-9 tetrahydrocannabinol, attaches to cannabinoid receptors. These are special receptors that act like tiny signal receivers on cells.
THC mainly binds to two types, CB1 and CB2 receptors. CB1 receptors are the most important here. They're found mostly in the central nervous system, the brain, and the spinal cord.
Because of this, CB1 receptors play a big role in things like pain control, memory and cognition, emotional behavior, sensory perception, and motor control. When THC activates a CB1 receptor, it sets off a chain reaction inside the cell. The chain reaction causes the cell to slow down, reduce the amount of neurotransmitters it releases. Neurotransmitters are chemicals that brain cells use to talk to each other. So when fewer neurotransmitters are released, communication between neurons becomes weaker or slower.
The body also responds with a decrease in ATP supply. ATP is the energy source cells use to keep processes running, including neurotransmission. With less ATP available, signaling becomes even less efficient.
All of these changes lead to the feelings and effects associated with marijuana use. After THC activates CB1 receptors, the body can enter a euphoric state. But this altered signaling can also be harmful and lead to negative effects, especially in the brain. Depending on which brain regions are affected, THC can change cognition, perception, and slow down motor control, or act as a form of pain relief.
In simple terms, THC doesn't create new signals, it changes the natural pathways the brain depends on, which leads to shifts in how we think, move, feel, and respond to the world.